This course will help you develop an understanding of anti-money laundering techniques and how to apply them in real-life situations. You and your teams will gain confidence and be able to identify gaps in processes and frameworks and analyze and respond to challenging and sensitive workplace scenarios, mitigating risk for you and your firm. This 6-month course is delivered within our easy-to-use learning management system. It includes your fully comprehensive course manual, which provides a detailed breakdown of each module unit objective to help your learning stay on track. You will attend 1 virtual classroom, 1 immersive scenario, and 1 group tutorial. Virtual classrooms can be watched live or on demand and unpack the qualification's key themes through tutor facilitation, discussions, and group work. The immersive scenario is delivered via our award-winning barcode technology. You will be presented with a real-life AML scenario and, as a group, tasked to tackle the various challenges of that situation by putting the theory learnt into practice. You will simulate the challenges likely encountered in the real world and learn the tangible tools and practical solutions for tackling them. In the group tutorial, you will receive crucial last-minute tips to help you confidently complete your assessment and assignment. All sessions include case studies featured in today's mainstream news, making your learning timely and relevant. Taking on a qualification can be a big commitment. Our dedicated support network is here to guide you every step of the way, answer all your queries, and help you complete the course successfully. Always remember why you're doing this and the greater impact you and your organization will have in tackling these global issues. A qualification from ICA is a fantastic achievement that will set you apart. It is the globally recognized standard of practice and will help you in all aspects of your career, from promotion seeking to developing niche specialties in all sectors. We look forward to welcoming you to our global community very soon.